Medusa, say happy birthday to Tia.
Happy birthday, Tia.
Richard, say happy birthday to Tia.
Tata.
Let's get the writing. Happy birthday, Monica. Yesterday. Mom don't even know which day was right. Go ahead. Tell everybody you didn't buy a cake. You had nothing planned. The cake does not say happy birthday, Monica.
It's a lucky special.
You didn't even have me here.
You gotta have price. Tell her you gotta have price.
Pumpkin pie is better. I'll have pumpkin pie.
That apple pie is nice. Isn't it, Trav? I know it. I put it to warm up in the microwave. Wait for the ice cream man over there. And we put it in the oven. You thought it was happy to cook.
I put it in the oven like for a half hour.
Sucker! Sucker! You want some cake? Little sucker, big. Oh no, Juice, don't do that.
Birthday, you got her a happy birthday vet cake. Happy 21st birthday. For Kiko's birthday, you got her happy. Happy birthday to you. No.
Then you get.
Hey, don't get on the table. Look at the tablecloth. Too long.
Yeah, it seems like they're right there. Too.
You never use that Zoom or nothing.
Yeah, I did at Disneyland. Sucker! Call him.
Richard! Richard! Look, Richard!
Say hi.
These always work on the same.
Sister, say hi.
Wiggle your ears. Go like this.
Say hi to me. Hi. How are you? Yeah, I can see Grandma rubbing her eyes way over here.
You have to work for Saturday? You don't work Saturday.
No.
No.
Your boca.
Where's your dientes?